Welcome back, Marcus Timothy. This is a monthly watch list for May. Happy new month to you and yours. I hope it's a prosperous month. This is a monthly watch list. We did this in April, so now we're going to continue on to May. But before we continue to the May watch list, let's look at some of the highlights from the April watch list. First up, we have QSR. What did we see in QSR? What did we like? We like that it closed above the upper Bollinger Band. In addition to, it had a white candle and it broke this level right here of 76.56. Look for more continuation to the upside of QSR. That's from April. BITU. Beautiful. We saw this nice reversal candle here. Continuation. Nice 25% gain for the month. BITU, which is a Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin is trying to make a run back up. It's been down pretty hard. So that's another one to go on the May watch list. Also, we have Trip. Little bounce here. This actually starts the start of the May watch list, starting now. Trip, more continuation. Had a positive close below the lower Bollinger Band and continued with the next candle. Trip, PTEN. It has some resistance here at the 13, but if it gets through, it's a strong mover. RES. Once again, it got through the upper Bollinger Band with force. You can even write up to this green line, which I believe is a 200 MA. That'll be 950, so it has room to go. TALO. Excuse me, allergies acting up. Strong candle, like above 16. ANTX. Similar situation, above 450, $5 to go. GDDY. Look how long this has been on the downtrend. Since 2025. Just beating down. It's due for a bounce, and it's reaching this level of here around $90. Look for a bounce to the upside on GoDaddy.com. Is that still around? That used to be when I used to create, have my other business. I used that as a host for my website, GoDaddy.com. UCO, which is the oils, consolidated for so long, finally has a bounce. This is crude oil, to be specific. Bloomberg crude oil. I like it above 48.49. WTI, another oil based. I like it above 450. Elite. Look how long it's been being down. It's due for a bounce. It did a nice bounce. I like it above 85, 90 cents. Snap. Make sure I'm still recording. Good. Similar situation. The reversal candle followed by long green or white candle. Snap. TDD. Trade desk. Once again, a lot of these stocks that I have on my list have been being down pretty bad. It's just due for a little bounce. Two reversal candles in a row. I like it above 24.50. ADP. Similar situation. Give me above 215. BRBR. Similar. Look how long. Look how long. I was making sure because it's so similar to another chart we saw a few charts ago. Just beating down pretty hard, due for a bounce. Give me it above 18. HDB, nice reversal candle above 25.50. Ryan, is that Ryan Specialty Group Holdings? Similar situation, being down. Give it to me above 35. Let's look at some shorts. We have AA. Uptrend. So similar situation how we look at stocks that have been being down for a while. We look at stocks that's been overextended or have a lot of buying pressure for a while. That's looking for a little reversal. So we like this below 63. AA, Alcoa, Dow. Similar situation, nice, beautiful reversal candle, resistance here. Give it to me below, I want to say 40. Yeah, below 40 is good. On the DOW, Dow Holdings, FCX. Similar situation again in Toppy, below 60. J&J Johnson. I sold more powder than Johnson and Johnson. Who said that? If you know who said that, put in the comments. Let me know if you are a true music connoisseur. J&J. Continue the downtrend below 230. AU. Being down. Look how long it's been. This is gold. Gold has been on a run since 2024. Let's say, yeah, since 2025, it started making this run. Almost a year plus. A year plus, actually. Do it for a little pullback. Gold. AU. EQNR. Similar situation. The market opened. That's why we have this count. This little mark right here. This is May. This was April. It's due for a short, as we expected. SYK. Nice reversal. Below 320. SSRM. See, once again, that little dash, that means the trading for the month of May has started. I would like it how it's looking already. SSRM. And finally APA, which is another oil. There's another oil type, I believe, oil or steel or one of the commodities. Due for reversal. Keep an eye on that. And that concludes this week's watch list. This week's watch list. Actually, this month's watch list. It's for the month. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.